Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable block all cookies in Brave on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly, of course you just have to open your Brave applications here. I'm gonna tap on it over here. And now go ahead to this three dots icon at the bottom. And after, in this pop-up, you just have to go to this all settings options. Now tap on this shields and privacy. I'm gonna tap on it over here. And after, if you wanna enable it for the block all cookies, you just have to scroll it down. At the bottom we'll find that the option which is blocking all cookies like this. Yeah guys, you just have to tap on the toggle beside it to activate like this until it's turned blue. So here I'm gonna tap on this block all. So if you got a cookies from this Brave application, it will be blocking automatically guys. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.